Today, I'll walk you through how to make shapes unclickable in just 3 clicks using Microsoft Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to disable interactions with shapes so you can enhance your report's usability. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is where all the magic happens, and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Now, once you have Power BI open, click on the shape that you want to make unclickable. This could be any visual element in your report that you want to keep static. Think of it like a picture frame that you want to keep in place, while the rest of the artwork can be interacted with. It's all about maintaining the integrity of your design. Next, navigate to the Format Shape pane on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it, just click on the paint roller icon. This pane is where you can customize the appearance and behavior of your selected shape. After that, click on the General section within the Format Shape pane. Here, you will find various options related to the properties of your shape. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on Properties, which will give you more detailed options for your shape. Then you'll want to click on Additional Options. This is where the real change happens. Finally, disable the option labeled Maintain Layer Order. By doing this, you're instructing Power BI to allow the shape to sit there steadily without being clickable. This is a crucial step to ensure that your shape remains a static element in your report, just like that picture frame we talked about earlier. And there you have it. In just 3 clicks, you've successfully made your shape unclickable in Power BI. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance the user experience of your reports, allowing viewers to focus on the data without distractions. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.